Hey there, and thanks for tuning into this payable video. So picture this. You've built your Google form, you're excited to share it, but then people tell you they can't submit it without logging into a Google account. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, we're going to walk through why that happens and how to fix it so your form works exactly the way you want. By default, Google Forms don't require a login. Anyone with the link should be able to respond. But depending on a few settings and question types, your form might end up requiring a sign-in. Let's talk about the usual suspects. First, head over to your settings section. You'll see an option to collect email addresses. If it's set to Do Not Collect or Responder Input, you're in the clear. No login is needed. But quick note, if you're using the Payable add-on, you'll need it set to Responder Input so that the form is collecting an email for order notifications. Next, watch out for the Limit to One response toggle. Turning that on sounds great for preventing duplicates, but here's the catch. It forces users to sign in so Google can track who already submitted. If you want open access, leave it off. Another common culprit, file upload questions. The moment you add one, Google requires people log in because the uploads connect to their Google Drive. If you don't want that barrier, you'll need to collect files another way, like asking users to email them to you directly after submitting the form. Finally, let's talk sharing permissions. This one trips up a lot of people. When you hit the purple Publish button, check who can respond. If you see Restricted or your organization's name, that means only logged in users or users in your domain can access it. To fix this, click Manage and change the responder view to anyone with the link. Now your form will be open to anyone you share it with. One last thing. Sometimes features like quizzes, automatic response receipts, or even school and workplace IT policies can sneak in login requirements too. If you've checked your settings and things still aren't working, those could be the reason. So the big takeaway is check your settings, avoid file upload questions if you don't want logins, and make sure your sharing permissions are open. Do that and your Google form should be good to go for anyone with your link. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on Google Forms and the Payable add-on.